Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's grow young together. Smartphones and earphones have become an inevitable part of human life. Smartphones and earphones are just like twins, right? Hey, are you kind of a person if your friend calls you to tell you any secret and you'll be like, Mom, I'm leaving, because you are afraid of some privacy in replying him back? That is why techies are developed. Hushme. Now let's speak secrets in public. Hushme is actually a personal acoustic device that protects speech privacy when speaking on phone, in open space, offices and public places. Now why too afraid? Let's tell secrets louder. We all love to pose for photos. And for selfies, we all would have tried some weirdest of the all facial expressions. I have done it for sure. Capturing scenic beauty while you travel is inevitable too. But you cannot always carry your camera everywhere, neither your selfie stick. But what if I tell you, you can have a phone case cover that can fly high and capture your image? You heard it right, and we call it a selfie phone case cover. Selfie phone case cover is actually a compact drone. This is having a lot of features just like gesture control, follow me feature, face recognition and even a timer feature. It is supporting in all iOS and Android devices, and videos and photos are having very good clarity. We know now the world is a global village. If you have time and money, no corner of the globe is inaccessible to you. No worries, just go and explore. For better education and better job, people will fly across the boundaries. New people, new culture and new languages. The very existence of any individual in a new place depends on the effective communication. And more often we would be like, oh gosh, how will I make him understand? And that is why you have in a wearable the real-time language translator. Yep, WT2 language translator. And I'm not exaggerating guys. With this, you can actually communicate with 85% of world's population. It will translate over 40 languages and 88 different accents. And remember, it is a simple Bluetooth device which is suitable for iOS and Android, which do a real-time translation. It has a speaker mode when your voice assistant will speak out what you really wanted to convey, and auto mode when you can talk in your native language and the other person will hear it and reply you in his native language and you will understand. Yep. A very normal, comfortable, friendly conversation. And what if you are in a noisy environment? You just touch the Bluetooth device and keep on your conversation effortlessly. There is no wonder why it has won CES Innovation Award 2019. Shoes are the king of footwear and an icon of fashion. Shoes are used for walking. Shoes are used for dancing. Shoes are used for style. After a long 8 to 10 hours a day at office or walking around all day, you can feel how gross your feet feel without even taking off your shoes off. And that is why you have air-conditioned shoes. Yep, air-conditioned, and you call it as Hydrotech Cool Breeze shoes. The Hydrotech Cool Breeze shoes or the air-conditioned shoes feature a patented filter technology which takes out all of the hot air and fill your shoes with fresh and clean air using a system of microfans. The filtering technology is able to condition your feet continuously regardless how long you have had the shoes on. So enjoy the air condition in shoes as well. Hot tea and coffee are my favorite too, just like anyone else. But if I have some busy work or so, I may end up having this hot tea cooled. Many thanks to new patented technology of Ember Mug too, because even the last drop of the coffee is still hot. This particular technology allows you to set the precise temperature of your hot beverage so you can enjoy your drink from first sip to the last sip. It has a very long-lasting battery. It can even be controlled using your smartphones. Many thumbs up, Ember Mug 2.